Land Handicraft Cooperative Society, HLHCS, is guaranteed World Fair Trade Organization in Palestinian town of Bethlehem, founded in 1981. We support 35 members, small-scale producers of artisanal crafts from Bethlehem and surrounding villages, to bring their goods to market through fair and ethical sourcing practices. We hope to preserve Bethlehem's handicraft tradition for the benefit of the future generations of artisans. Our cooperative's work benefits approximately 2,000 individuals, both directly as members and indirectly through market collaboration. Our partnerships include local women's enterprise groups and organizations that support persons with disabilities. In addition to fair and ethical access to markets, we provide our artisans with workshop renovations and equipment with aim of protecting the health and safety of the handicraft producers. For the Holy Land community, olive wood is more than a raw material. Olive trees are a symbol of peace and are ingrained into our cultural identity and way of life. The iconic plant provides livelihoods to 800,000 Palestinian families. Given the cultural and economic importance of the olive tree, preservation of the plant is crucial to our work. HLHCS's crafts are produced using pruned branches, collected without harming or removing the ancient trees. In our hometown of Bethlehem, we host the only cooperative-run fair trade shop, featuring works of art, souvenirs, jewelry, embroidery, religious items, and other products handicrafted from olive wood, mother of pearl, glass, and ceramic. We provide a unique shopping experience for pilgrims, tourists, and other customers interested in quality products sourced fairly from the local community. We also have developed our logistical capacity to export our products internationally. The shop provides a vital sales outlet to small-scale producers who would otherwise be unable to market their products individually at a fair price. As the first organization in the Arab world to qualify and benefit from the WFTO membership, we aim to be part of creating awareness that leads to action with regard to fair trade. Our vision is a world in which justice and sustainable development are at the heart of trade structures and practices so that everyone can maintain a decent and dignified livelihood. The Holy Land Handicraft Cooperative Society has a dream of peace in the Holy Land, and we believe that fair trade is a tool to reach our aspirations.